Hello, this is Alina from Dr.G. Have you ever worried about stubborn blemish left after breakouts? To effectively fade these marks, it's important to use specialized care. Our Red Blemish Repair Soothing Cream is the perfect solution for blemish care. When breakouts occur, they often leave behind post-acne redness that can develop into hyperpigmentation. That's why it's important to care for your skin right away to prevent stubborn dark spots. From soothing irritation to softening hyperpigmentation, our Repair Soothing Cream provides complete care. Here are genuine reviews on blemish reduction after using our Repair Soothing Cream. Users notice that it helps fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots while providing lasting soothing and hydration. They were especially satisfied with the moisturizing formula, visible blemish reduction, and brighter skin tone. How does it reduce blemish? The secret lies in its key ingredients. It contains a 10-cica complex for powerful soothing effects, along with pantothenic acid known for regulating sebum. Working as thinners, these ingredients calm the skin quickly and help reduce dark spots. In addition, the cream has passed skin irritation and hypoallergenic tests, providing its suitability for sensitive and acne-prone skin as well. Let's take a look at the main selling points of our Repair Soothing Cream. First, it quickly soothes sensitive skin with 10-cica complex and pantothenic acid. Second, it helps care for post-acne redness care with vitamin C and 1% tranexamic acid. Lastly, it brightens the skin tone by fading hyperpigmentation with niacinamide. Packed with powerful soothing ingredients, it quickly calms sensitive skin. It helps relieve everyday irritation caused by physical and chemical stressors, inflamed light, and UV rays. In addition, it balances oil and sebum levels to help prevent acne and future breakouts. Second, it targets post-acne redness with a powerful combination of vitamin C and tranexamic acid, an ideal duo for intensive blemish softening. As a result, it effectively reduces persistent blemish as shown in these pictures. Clinical results show it improves evenness of skin with spots by 28.6%. Lastly, it brightens the skin tone by fading hyperpigmentation with niacinamide and vitamin C. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, keeps skin bright and healthy while supporting collagen synthesis. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten skin complexion. So, as a result, it effectively brightens the three main types of skin tones commonly seen in Asian skin. If you want to boost the calming effect on blemish, try using our serum and cream together. This combination delivers maximized results, as you can see here. In addition, our cream is suitable for all skin types, but especially recommended for acne-prone skin. It replenishes essential moisture without any stickiness, helping to maintain a healthy balance of oil and hydration. We have three creams in the Red Blemish line, each with a different texture and purpose designed to address various skin concerns. Compared to our Clear Soothing Cream and Moisture Cream, the Repair Soothing Cream is especially recommended for reducing acne marks, offering a refreshing yet hydrating formula. You can apply a Repair Soothing Cream as the final step in your skincare routine. The formula may change color if exposed to high temperatures or direct sunlight due to its high content of vitamins and natural extracts. However, this does not affect the quality or effectiveness of the product, so there is no need to worry. Here is our full ingredient list. Ingredients highlighted in yellow help care for dark spots, while those in green provide soothing effects. Let's take a closer look at two key ingredients. First, bisabolol, a natural compound derived from chamomile, known for its soothing properties. Second, alpha-arbutin, a skin brightening ingredient derived from beerberry plants that helps reduce dark spots. Lastly, let's see who this product is for. First, those looking for quick and easy care for post-acne marks. Second, those wanting to soothe redness after breakouts. And lastly, those seeking a repair-focused solution suitable for acne-prone skin. Thank you guys!